Alright, here's a piece of wasabi that I got from the grocery store. It's very weird looking. It almost looks like it's moldy, but I don't know. Not too expensive. Probably it was 600 yen. It's about $6 for this little piece. And we bought a wasabi slash ginger grater, kind of a traditional one. I guess the real traditional one's a piece of shark skin, but this is what they had at Aeon. I don't know how much you're supposed to cut off. I'm going to peel this, and then we'll put it on our freshly made store-bought sushi and find out what this is all about. And I assume you're supposed to peel it. I didn't read anything about what I'm supposed to be doing with this, which I might have probably should have, but okay. So we got that. So grated some of this stuff up. It smells like dirt, to be honest with you. It's very earthy. Wow. It's pretty pungent, but not in the horseradish way. And it's a real dirty flavor. I mean, it's got earthy, weird, kind of dirty flavor to it. I don't know. Maybe it's just old. Let's try it on some of this. Yeah, it's a little hot. But it tastes nothing like the wasabi paste like this stuff. You know, that is mostly horseradish with some wasabi flavor in it. Which, this stuff's super pungent and hot, but even if you read the back, it says it contains mustard oil, usually, in most of these, even in Japan. But weird, interesting, like I said, very unique flavor to the wasabi. So that's my TED Talk on wasabi. Thank you for coming.